these are the Realme Buds Air Neo, the successor to Realme Buds that were launched last year, and I just got them. So in this video, let's do a quick unboxing and have a first look at the Realme Buds Air Neo, the new budget true wireless earphones from Realme. And before we proceed, if you wish to stay notified about the latest videos, do click on that subscribe button and press the bell icon. It's free and helps the channel out. So you get these two wireless earbuds in the similar sort of yellowish box that is common for all Realme products. So let's go ahead. So first of all, we get the earbuds. So these are like the closest competitor to the new Redmi Earbuds S, but they are a lot different in terms of everything. So we get what looks like a micro USB cable, and this one does not have a Type-C port, and that is seriously bad in 2020. I was expecting a Type-C port. Anyways, here are the specs of these earphones. So these are powered by the new Realme Airpods chip that is said to provide a more stable connection over Bluetooth. Apart from this, they have 13mm large drivers with dynamic bass boost, which should result in a better bass overall. These Realme Buds Air Neo also have that Google Fast Pair to connect them instantly with your Android device. And this was also present in the Realme Buds Air, so that is a great move. And these have a claimed battery life of around 17 hours, and single music listening time of around 3 hours, and call time of 1.5 hours. So the Realme Buds also support touch controls on the stem portion, and you can play, pause music, accept calls, end calls, and even invoke Google Assistant, Siri, and other assistants. And you can even remap and customize these as per your liking with the Realme Link app, and we will get to that in a second. Plus these also support the super low latency mode for gaming, and it reduces the latency to approximately 119 milliseconds, and each bud has a weight of 4.1 grams. So these are also IPX4 dust and water resistant, just like the Redmi Buds S. Now coming to the earbuds, so as you can see these look just like the AirPods in design, but the case feels more compact. The case feels solid and the lid here is quite sturdy. And you get the status LED here that tells the amount of battery left. And unlike Realme Buds Wireless, these do not have wireless charging, so that's a bummer. And pairing them with any device is really easy because of Google Fast Pair. Plus these also connect with the Realme Connect app, so you get firmware updates too. And they will improve with updates, and that is a good thing. So these are now connected to my Note 9 Pro Max, and I'll test the audio quality and latency test with games like PUBG. And in case you want to know something, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll include them in the later videos. Feature wise, they do have most of the things from Realme Buds Wireless, but the auto play pause sensor is not present in this one, so do keep that in mind. Plus these play pause gestures also work fine, and you can see there is a lot of customization for that in the Realme Link app. So double tap to play pause music, triple tap to skip tracks, and long press on both to go into that low latency mode. Compared to the Redmi Earbuds S, I prefer this design because it is much better for long calls, and it feels more comfortable and airy to me. Though the Redmi ones will have better noise cancellation because of that in-ear design, but in short time I had with it, they seem quite good. And you'll be getting more videos on this soon. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. These were my first impressions with the Realme Buds Air Neo. So like this video if it helps you out, and press the bell icon to stay notified. And I'll see you guys